Hey, if you wonder how to take the macro photos on the Nothing Phone 2a, let me quickly show you. So there's like no dedicated mode to take the macro photos, but I'm gonna show you some cool tip. So first of all, I'm gonna take the macro photo of this mascot. There we go, this one actually. And now let me just try to take this photo with the zoom. So I'm gonna actually change the lens. There we go. Now I'm gonna zoom in. And now I'm losing the focus, so I have to just put it a little bit far away, and now I can take the photo. So this is the first method actually, and let me show you the best one that for me is actually the best, where we can actually get the most details. So all you have to do is just to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and open the 50 megapixel mode, the Ultra HD mode. Now let's try to do the same. As you can see, we actually cannot use zoom feature, and we cannot also keep that phone too close to the subject when we're taking the photo. So for example, I'm gonna try to take the photo like this with this range. There we go, the photo was taken. And now when I zoom in, I can actually find a lot of details just right here, thanks to this 50 megapixel mode. So as I said, there's like no dedicated macro mode, but take a look, there's like a lot of details. We can actually find the structure of this material. And when I go into this zoom feature, as you can see, there's like less details. And then when we take a look right here, so it's actually really useful to use this 50 megapixel mode, because you will actually get slightly better quality, but it's not like the perfect macro photos, I know, because you don't have actually this cool macro photo lens. But if you want to like take this part of the photo, all you have to do is just to click on the edit. Now go to the crop and simply pick the picture, this place of the picture that you want to actually get and share with each others. Like for example, we can get this one, or maybe this one, and click save. You can save as copy, and this is it. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.